Alright guys, welcome back to Hot Wheels Dad, and I wanted to let you guys see another little upgrade that I did yesterday. I got these in the mail, and if you remember from my last upload, I had done the Husky liner in the wheel wells, and so I really like the way those turned out, and so I decided to stay with the same brand and get the floor liners in the truck. I did mention in my last upload that Ford had provided me with these liners, and I wanted to show you what they look like. It's definitely for sure an upgrade from the stock Ford liners. So they are a perfect fit, contoured to the inner lining of your Ford F-150. These do fit 2015 through 2019 F-150. So as you can see, they fit perfectly. Super rugged. They do keep your stuff nice and clean. My truck's a little dirty, but you know, they fit perfect. I'll go around and show you the back side. So for those who do any off-roading or snowboarding, skiing in the mountains, they do protect the inner carpet of your truck. As you can see, this lining here, you know, it comes down and it actually covers the bottom. You got a nice little sharp underside, so you can, you know, it doesn't move around, but as you can see, it sits nicely right here. It also goes, let's see, here's a seat. You know, it also fits down nice in there. You can fit your feet down in there. It's a snug fit here. And my favorite lining is actually the driver's side, because it fits perfect, but it has a nice design here. No slip. If you were to spill any type of liquid, you know, it has this little lip right here. It's gonna save it. Right down in here. If you have snow in your boots, if you have mud on your boots, it's gonna all just gather right here and not get all over your inner carpet. It does have in the stock built-in little snap-in from your regular stock liners. So there you have it, guys. It's definitely an upgrade. They're not too slippery. Super easy to clean. You can pull them out and just rinse them off with your, you know, regular hose, and get them nice and clean. So definitely pick these up if you guys are looking for an upgrade for your off-road vehicle. 2015, 2019 F-150. For those wondering, I do have my stock liners here. I'm in Southern California. If you're willing to pick these up, I do have them for sale. I think $100 should do. I think they're regularly like $175 on online, Amazon, or CJ Pony. These are definitely the stock ones. I'll show you what they look like. I did have them in my last upload, but I'll show you. They're pretty neat. They do have the F-150 logo there, a little snap-ins here. So in the comments below, hit me up and we can chat about it if you guys want to pick these up. Alright guys, appreciate it. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe for any F-150 updates, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace.